Welcome back to the social class, dear students. This is second class from geography. We are going to start a new lesson, weather and climate. So we are going to face another season, right? We are going to see rainy season and winter season. So this lesson will be very apt for this season. So we'll see what is weather and what is climate first. So what is weather? So weather is nothing but the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards to heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. So in Tamil we say vanilai. So we used to see news, right, regarding weather. So they say it as vanilai arikai, right? In general or in simple word we can say weather is a temporary term or short term. Weather is a short term. We say today weather is good. Today weather is so hot, isn't it? Today weather is so cloudy, right? We used to say or use these words in a day-to-day life. Next, what is climate? So climate is nothing but long term. Weather is short term, climate is long term. Climate, the weather condition prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. That is called as what? Weather. So I am telling it in general. Okay. Yes. So learning objectives. So what else we are going to learn in this lesson? So the first point, to understand the importance of weather and climate. So we are going to learn what is weather, what is climate and its importance. Next, to learn about the nature of the elements of weather and climate. We are going to learn about the nature of elements of what? Weather and climate. Third one, to know the instruments used for measuring weather elements. We are going to see what else instrument they are using in order to measure weather elements. Last point, to be able to recognize the kind of weather and climate of place. So these are the learning objectives of this lesson. Let us get inside the lesson. Introduction. Climate is one of the basic elements in natural environment. We all know, right? Climate is one of the basic element of our natural environment. In day-to-day life, we use this word climate. It affects landforms, soil types, fauna and flora. It influences man to a large extent. Okay, it affects what? Land, soil types, flora and fauna. What is flora and fauna? So fauna is nothing but it's animal. Okay, animals. Flora is nothing but it's plants. Would have learned in science, right? Okay. It influences man to a large extent. Next. So they have given an example here. We'll just see what example is. In a small village in Dharmaburi district, Tamil Nadu, in the month of May, Yukta enjoys her vacation with her brother and family. So in Dharmaburi district, Tamil Nadu, in the month of May, Yukta, okay, Yukta is the name of a girl, okay, she is enjoying her vacation with her brother and family. So usually in May month, it's summer, isn't it? We will be having leave, school, holidays. So we'll be going out to some other place to get a cool weather, right? So she was enjoying her summer vacation with her brother and family. She always wear cotton cloths. So during May month, we used to wear cotton cloths only, isn't it? Why? Because we'll be having too much of sweating because of summer. Her mother makes food like porridge, buttermilk, lemonade, watermelon, etc., which suits to summer. So Yukta's mother is preparing food like porridge. So what is porridge? In Tamil we say kanji, right? Buttermilk, lemonade, watermelon, etc. These are the food which Yukta's mother is preparing for her in order to suit the present weather. What is the present weather? Summer, right? At the same time, the May month, Tia, who lives in Auckland is in New Zealand, right? With a father and mother, wear fleece jacket, jeans, gloves and socks. Her mother makes hot food like sandwich, salmon, oatmeal, soups, etc. So here another girl's examples they are giving. Yukta is enjoying her summer vacation in the month of May with her family, and her mother is preparing what? Porridge, buttermilk, lemonade, watermelon in order to suit the summer. Whereas we are seeing Tia, she lives in New Zealand, Auckland, okay, with her father and mother. Okay, she wears fleece jacket, jeans, gloves and socks. Her mother is making what? Hot foods. Hot foods like what? Sandwich, salmon, oatmeal, soup, etc. in order to suit the winter climate or winter weather over there. Okay. Yukta celebrate Christmas with friends in winter, whereas Tia celebrate Christmas during summer. Can you think of why? Yes, we'll see what it is. So Yukta is celebrating Christmas during winter season, whereas Tia is celebrating Christmas during summer season in New Zealand. Why is it so? We are going to see in the lesson. Yukta and Tia stay in two different hemispheres. So they are staying in, Yukta and Tia both are staying in two different hemispheres and have different way of life. This is because of the difference in weather condition of those places. Okay, when we in India face summer during May, in New Zealand they face winter during the month of May. So why? Because two places are in different hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Got it? See, if this is globe, this is hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Got it? Okay. Next. So there is a picture over here. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Got it? Okay. Next. Weather and climate influence man's activity, like what we eat, where, the house in which we live and work, farming, sailing, fishing, modern transport, and even our playtime, etc. So weather and climate plays a major role in order to influence our activities. What we eat according to the weather, what we wear according to the weather, what kind of house we are going to live, and in which we live and work, what kind of work we do, what kind of farming we do according to the weather condition, sailing, fishing, modern transportation, everything depends upon what? Weather and climate. Next point. Hence, one should have knowledge about the weather and climate. So we should know about we should have the knowledge of what? Weather and climate. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about weather and climate, its elements, and how they influence our lifestyle. So this is what we are going to learn. Yes. Weather. So as I told you when I started the lesson, so what is weather? Weather is temporary thing or short term, right? It's the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, etc. I told you, right? So here in book what they have given, you are going to see that. So you have this in short answer. So starting from this first point, you have this as short answer. Okay, first short answer. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place as regards sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind, fog condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, and such other elements. This is called as what? Weather. So weather is the day-to-day condition. Each and every day weather keeps changing. One day we'll be having cloudiness, one day we'll be having sunshine, one day we'll be having dryness, one day we'll be having wind, or some other day we'll be having rain. So it depends, or it changes, it keeps changing day by day. So weather is the day-to-day condition state of the atmosphere at any place as regards to sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind fog condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, and such other elements. So this is the first answer in Roman letter 5. Got it? Fine. Next, it refers to short periods. I have told you earlier, right? Weather is a short period. Okay. It refers to short periods like a day, a week, a month, or a little longer, and as such the weather changes from time to time in a day and one period to the other in an year. So weather is a short period. It takes a week to change. It may take a month to change, okay, or little more longer. For example, we can take 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Though these are short term only. Okay. Next, in the morning, the weather might be sunny with a clear sky. This is sky. Okay, clear sky in a place. And evening there might be clouds and rain. So in the morning we can see a clear sky with sun. Okay, but in the evening we can see cloudiness. It seems like raining, isn't it? So this is called what? Weather. Weather keeps changing day by day. Similarly, the weather is cool in winter and hot in summer. So the weather is cool in winter and hot in summer. We often hear people saying today the climate is good or bad. It is incorrect to say like that. So we should not use climate. Instead we should use what? Weather. Right? So weather is a short term and climate is a long term. We should not use climate for day-to-day life. Okay? Today climate is good or bad. That is wrong. What we should use? Instead, it has to be said that weather is good or bad. Okay? So we should use weather instead of climate in day-to-day life. We could observe the television news readers saying weather report and not the climate report. Right? When we see TV for weather report, they say today's weather condition. They don't use today climate condition. Right? So weather report is correct word. Example, cricket match have been postponed due to bad weather. Sometimes you would have seen cricket match in TV. So it will be postponed because of bad weather condition. Right? You would have heard these news in television, right? Okay. Next, we'll see what is climate. Climate is generally defined as the average condition of the weather of a place or a region. So, climate, what is climate? It is generally defined as average condition of state of the weather of a place or region. The average atmospheric conditions are determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time, which is usually for 35 years. So the climate condition will be for long term, as I told you at the beginning of the lesson, right? So what is the long term? 35 years. Okay, long period of time, which is usually for 35 years. Okay, the elements of weather and climate are the same. The climate does not change often like weather. Okay, Weather keeps changing day by day, month by month, or week by week. But climate doesn't change like weather. Climate will change, but not very soon. It may take a long period of time. The word climate is derived from ancient Greek word klimo, which means inclination. Okay, the Greek word klimo, climate, has been derived from ancient Greek word called klimo, which means what? Inclination. Okay children, we shall stop up to this. Next class we shall continue. Thank you and take care.